Good morning, day 25 of 75 Hard. When 75 Hard first came out, which was 2019, it was basically from a podcast. There was no app, there was no t-shirt, there was no Facebook group. Like, dude talked about it on a podcast, people just started doing it. And because of that, the first time I did it, I created my own checklist, and literally just like a spreadsheet checklist, so I could remember that I did all the things every day, because at some point, as I've said before, it just all molds together. Now, I made the spreadsheet into 3 separate pages of 25 each. And there's something about like gamifying the system and giving yourself, I don't want to call it false wins because it's always a win, but I remember the first time I did it and I checked off day 25, I was like, oh. And then I physically had a checklist. I turned the page on to page 2, and it served me well ever since. You have to figure out these things along your health and fitness journey that give you those little check marks, that give you those little wins, that help continue to build the confidence to keep going, to keep doing it, that you're making progress, that you're seeing the things you want to see, that you're changing in the ways you want to change. And sometimes it's literally just as simple as checking off the box and turning the page. So figure out what those things are for you and then do those things. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. Folks, day 25 is done. We are 1/3 of the way there, which is super exciting. But from experience, this is not the time to let your guard down. So whatever systems you're using, keep using those. If you're using the app, if you're using a checklist, whatever you're doing, keep doing that, because at some point, all these days start to mold together. They all start to feel the same. And you will question yourself, did you read? Did you take the picture, or was that yesterday when you took the picture? It's so easy to forget the little stuff, which is kind of the whole point of this program. By the way, I ran earlier today and I got to wear a tank top because it was like 80 degrees and sunny, which is super freaking awesome because it's February and I love that. So I'm hoping we get some more of that. Anyway, y'all have a great night. Keep kicking ass, make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.